Hello, my name is Antonio Nazario, and with Luis Arroyo, today we're going to review the Space Labs Cube patient monitoring system. Patient monitors are devices that combine the functionality of many individual physiological measuring devices. Back in 1625, Santorio of Venice published methods for measuring body temperature with a spirit thermometer and timing pulse rates with a pendulum. Around 1852, Ludwig Taube published the first ever plotted course of fever, adding respiratory rate to the list of trackable human vital signs. Subsequent improvements in the thermometer and clock solidified the heart rate, respiratory rate, and body temperature as standard monitor vital signs. In 1896, the first sphygmomanometer, blood pressure cuff, added a fourth vital sign, arterial blood pressures. In 1903, Wilhelm Einhausen invented the galvanometer for measuring ECG, electrocardiograms. Physiologic monitors have been in regular commercial production since around 1954. In 1958, Space Labs co-founders began working for the US Air Force and NASA. In 1965, they made history when Edward White became the first astronaut to walk in space using Space Labs' real-time remote physiological monitoring system. Space Labs Cube classification. Space Labs submitted in February 2012 the FDA 510(k) document for review and approval of the device. The Space Labs Cube Compact Monitor 91390 is classified as a device as a Type 2 device, special controls device. Type 2 means it has moderate to high risk implications for the patients and users. The FDA classification name is Monitor Physiological Patient with Arrhythmia Detection or Alarms. The Cube system is classified as a diagnostic device. Through leads connected to the patient, the system continuously records the following vital signs: pulse rate, heart rate, blood pressure, temperature, and oxygen saturation. Cube operation. The power button is located on the lower right-hand corner on the side of the screen. Higher from the power buttons are buttons to access the OSD menu, which can be used to configure the screen brightness, contrast, color, etc. The ports for connecting the pulse rate, heart rate, blood pressure, temperature, and oxygen saturation devices are located on the left side behind the screen. After the device is powered on, the touchscreen has the taskbar icons along the right side of the screen with options for help, monitor, setup, remote access, trends, print, and network configuration. The screen bottom left corner has the Admit Patient icon to register patient personal identification information. The monitor can be configured to display 4 or 6 parameter display zones. The default 4-parameter view displays ECG and heartbeats per minute, breath per minute, blood pressure, and oxygenation level. Here we have a sample plant maintenance procedure for the Spacelabs Cube. As you can see, of importance on here is requirements to update any CMMS device configuration updates, examine the exterior of the unit physical condition, verify the device under battery operation, verify the ECG alarms, verify the non-invasive blood pressure alarms, verify the oxygenation alarms, and verify the static pressure accuracy of the NIBP. Spacelabs Cube major issues recalls. The first recall had to do with the input power can fail even though the power source at the wall has not been interrupted. In addition, there is the potential for the cube to fail to turn on. Another recall had to do because the firm received multiple reports with the monitors failing to boot up or returning to factory default configuration settings following power on or reset. Another issue was the potential chance of losing network connection after switching from hardwired Ethernet connection to using the Cube docking station without powering the device. Even though the networking might fail, the bedside monitor and all of its alarms will continue functioning normally. Another issue, the firm Spacelabs learns through reports that the input circuit may fail and the monitor will go into battery mode. The monitor will function normally until the batteries become depleted, and then the monitor will shut down. In addition, the monitor may fail to turn on due to an internal short. Now, Luis is going to demonstrate how the Spacelabs Cube can be disassembled when repairs are necessary or parts need to be replaced on the device. Thank you.